un textbook. Coordinate geometry. This is just a revision class. In the last class, we have studied the coordinate geometry thoroughly. And weightage I had already discussed. What is the weightage? Total weightage? 5 to 6 marks. 5 marks to 6 marks total weightage. And here, one MCQ is based on introduction to coordinate geometry. One MCQ based on introduction to coordinate geometry. And one 2-mark question based on distance formula. One 2-mark question based on distance formula. And possibility of 3-mark question based on section formula. Based on section formula or centroid of a triangle. Section formula or centroid of a triangle. Okay. See. Distance formula D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So I have write one more formula here. D is equal to under root x square plus y square. This formula only applicable for coordinates from the point of origin. Okay, coordinates lies on any quadrant, first quadrant, second, third, fourth. But that coordinates from the point of origin. At the point of origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. For example, a point P located in the first quadrant, and P coordinates are x, y. P coordinates are x, y. And here is the point of origin O. At the point of origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. Let me join O and P. Let me join O and P. How to calculate the distance between O and P? D is equal to under root x square plus y square. The next concept, section formula. Very important concept, section formula. Most of the students got confused here. P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Simple. Pxy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. See, with the help of graph, I will explain these two formulas with the help of graph. The first one is distance formula. Imagine it's a Cartesian plane. It's a Cartesian plane, means graph. It's a Cartesian plane, and the horizontal line is the x-axis, vertical line is the y-axis. Horizontal line and vertical line intersect at point O, and the point O is called point of origin. At the point of origin, the coordinates are 0, 0. Okay. See, it's a Cartesian plane. Here the points always having the coordinates A of xy, B of x1, y1, C of x2, y2, like this, or A of -1, 3, B of 2, 5, like this. Okay. Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are the 2 points. Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are the 2 points lies on a Cartesian plane. Let me join A and B. Let me join A and B. Now AB is a what AB? AB is a line segment. How to calculate the distance between A and B? How to calculate? So here we are using distance formula. D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is a distance formula. Let me take one more example. See, there is one more point A of x1 y1 or xy, not x1 y1, only one point is there. So A of xy. A of xy lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, and we need to calculate distance from the point of origin to the point A. Distance from the point of origin to the point A means here the line segment is OA. The line segment is OA. Then what is the distance of OA? Here we are not using distance formula. Here we are using another formula, that is D is equal to under root x square plus y square. Hope these two concepts clear now. Okay. See, 2 points lies in a Cartesian plane, not in a first quadrant, second quadrant, any quadrant. Not only in a first quadrant. If the 2 points lies in any quadrants, so the same concept applicable and the same formula applicable. So here A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 are the 2 points lies on a Cartesian plane. How to calculate the distance between 2 points AB? That is D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is called a distance formula. So similarly, a point which is lies in a Cartesian plane and the point of origin at O, point of origin O, at the point O the coordinates are 0, 0. Then the distance between O and A is D is equal to under root x square plus y square. Okay, hope this concept is clear. So now I will come to the section formula. See, there is a line AB. There is a line A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y1. As I told you that it's a Cartesian plane. Here points always having a 2 coordinates. The first coordinate is x and second coordinate is y. So you can always say in the form of A x1, y1, B x2, y2, C x3, y3, like this. Okay. See, there is a line and the coordinates are A x1, y1 and B x2, y2. And a point P of xy and a point P of xy dividing a line segment AB. AB is a line segment. A of x1, y1 and B of x2, y2 are the 2 points on a Cartesian plane. So let me join A and B. So AB is a line segment. And P of xy is a point. P of xy is a point and which lies on a line segment AB. And this point dividing a line segment AB in some ratios. Dividing a line segment AB in some ratios. That ratio you can call it as a m is to n. That ratio you can call it as a m is to n. Simple one example we can take. See, here is a one line AB. Okay. And the distance of AB is 10 meter. Distance of AB is 10 meter. There is a point P. dividing a line segment AB. How this point dividing a line segment AB? 7 meter left side and 3 meter left side. Then what is the ratio? 7:3. Understood? So similarly, AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. P of XY is a point on a line segment. P of XY is a point on a line segment AB, which divides a line segment AB in some ratios. That ratio we don't know. That is M:N. Okay. Then how to write the formula? So the formula P of XY is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Very simple. This is the first coordinate. See, here x is there. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Similarly, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this is called what? A section formula. The next, which formula? Midpoint formula. The next is midpoint formula. Okay, same concept. Ax1 y1 and bx2 y2 are the 2 points on a Cartesian plane, and AB is a line segment. Here, P of xy is a point which divides a line segment AB in the same ratio. Are you getting me? Which divides a line segment AB in the same ratio means it divides a line segment AB into 2 equal halves. So in this case, this point P of xy acts as a midpoint. P of xy acts as a midpoint. So midpoint formula P of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. So this concept is clear. So important formulas. First one is D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and second one is D is equal to under root x square plus y square, and third one P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. X coordinate it is. Similarly, y coordinate, see there, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. The next is midpoint formula, that is P of xy is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. These are the important formulae. Okay, so do you have any doubts here? No. So let me take some numericals. You can start with the easy numericals. In your textbook, exercise number 7.1. First example I can take. Find the distance between the following pairs of points. First one, 2, 3, 4, 1. Do not write anything. See here. Look at the board. 2, 3 and 4, 1. 2 points we have. The first one is A of x1 y1 is equal to 2, 3. A of x1 y1 is equal to 2, 3. And B of x2 y2 is equal to 4, 1. Okay. But the question is, find the distance between the points. Find the distance between these 2 points. So AB is equal to D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. See, this is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2. Right here. If you are not understanding, x2 y2, x1 y1. Okay. So is equal to under root x2 is 4 and x1 is bracket whole square plus y2 is 1 minus y1 is 3 whole square. Just substitute the values. Okay. So now simplify this. 4 minus 2, 2 square. 4 minus 2, 2 square. Plus 1 minus 3, again 2 square. Minus 2 square. Minus 2 square. Minus 2 square or plus 2 square will get positive value. Under root 2 square is 4 plus 2 square is 4 is equal to root 8. root 8 can also write as 4 into 2 is nothing but 2 root 2 units. This is for 2 marks. Simple. Any doubts here? Huh? Already you have written this. No need to write again. Okay? Yes. So one more we can take. Third one. So here numbers not there. Instead of numbers, here variables are there. A comma B minus A comma minus B. So this example also we can solve in the similar way. So first write the formula. Third one. A comma B minus A comma minus B. Okay. So this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So we need to calculate the distance between 2 points, that is AB. That is nothing but D. D is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. See here, instead of numbers in this question we have a variables. Numbers not there. Instead of numbers we have a variables. So you can just substitute the variables. What is x2? x2 is minus 6. So under root write as it is. Under root x2 is minus 6. And what is x1? Minus sign write as it is. It is a whole square. Plus what is y2? y2 is minus b. What is y1? b. Only b it is. So minus sign as it is. Again b whole square. Okay. So now is equal to, simplify this, minus a minus 2a minus 2a whole square plus minus b minus 2b whole square is equal to under root minus 2a whole square 4a square plus again minus 2b whole square 4b square. See here 4a square and here 4b square. 4 is common, right? Yeah, you can take it outside. 4 is common. Take it outside. Under root a square plus b square. What is under root 4? 2. 2 root a square plus b square units. Understood? 2 root under root a square plus b square units. So any doubts here? Okay. Yeah. Take one more example. You can solve this. Take this example. Find distance between the points. Find distance between the points 5 comma minus 2. Find distance between the points 5 comma minus 2. And 6 comma 4. Find distance between the points 5 comma minus 2 and 6 comma 4 and 6 comma 4.
Under root 37 units.
Under root 37 units. Then again under root 37 units. See, under root x2 minus x1, 6 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 4 minus into minus plus 2 square. So 6 minus 5 is 1 square 1 plus 4 plus 2, 6 square 36. 36 plus 1, 37. Under root 37 units. How many of you got this? Okay. Next question. This is actually 4-mark question. Show that, note down the question. Show that the points, show that the points 1,7, show that the points 1,7, 4,2, show that the points 1,7, 4,2, minus 1, minus 1, and minus 4,4, minus 4,4 are the vertices of a square, are the vertices of a square. Let me repeat the question again. Show that the points 1,7, 4,2, minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4,4 are the vertices of a square. Okay, yes, stop ratings here. So already in your previous class, like 9th standard, you have studied the quadrilaterals chapter, right? So what are the quadrilaterals? A closed figure bounded by 4 line segments, 4 vertices and 4 angles. So such a figures are called quadrilaterals. Even you have studied the types of quadrilaterals and their properties, correct? So how many types are there? How many types are there? Total 6 types are there. The first one is parallelogram. First one, parallelogram. Second one, rectangle. Rectangle, and the third one, square, and third one, square. Fourth one, rhombus. Fourth one, rhombus. And fifth one, right? No, trapezium. Fifth one, trapezium. And the last one, kite. Last one, kite. So here it is. The question is, show that the points 1,7, 4,2 and minus 1, minus 1 and minus 4,4 are the vertices of a square. So what are the properties of square? In a square, all the 4 sides are equal. First property. Then what about diagonals? Diagonals also equal or not? Diagonals equal or not? Yes, diagonals also equal. What is the difference between rhombus and square? In rhombus also all the 4 sides are equal. But in square all the angles measures 90 degree. In rhombus all the angles not measures 90 degree. And in rhombus diagonals are unequal. But in square diagonals are equal. Okay? Yeah. Back to this example. See. Imagine ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. Here A coordinates are 1,7 and B coordinates 4,2 and C coordinates minus 1, minus 1 and D coordinates minus 4,4. Show that given coordinates or given points are the points of a square. Means vertices of a square. Points, vertices same. Points of a square are vertices of a square. So what to do? What to calculate here? The distance between first side AB, BC, CD and D. You can calculate all the distances. If all the distances are same, are equal, then the given coordinates are the vertices of a square. Okay. So let me calculate AB first. AB is equal to under root x2 minus x1, 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, 2 minus 7 whole square is equal to 4 minus 1, 3 square, 9. Plus 2 minus 7 minus 5, 2 minus 7 minus 5, minus 5 square 25, 25 plus 9 34, under root 34 units. The distance between the 2 points AB or the length of the side AB. Now BC we can calculate. BC is equal to under root x2 minus x1 minus 1, minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 2 whole square. Okay? Yeah. Now minus 1, minus 4 minus 5 square 25 goes to 25 plus minus 1, minus 2 minus 3 square 9, 25 plus 9 under root 34 units. So the distance between the points B and C is also 34 units, under root 34 units. The length of the side BC is also under root 34 units. So now the distance between CD is equal to under root C, x2 minus x1. Minus 1, here minus 4 is there. Minus into minus plus 1. Minus 1 plus 4 whole square. Plus y2 minus y1. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 comma minus 4 whole square. So now, see here, minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. Minus 1 plus 4 is plus 3. 3 square? 9. Plus minus 1 minus 4 minus 5. Minus 5 square? 25. So 25 plus 9? Under root 34. Under root 34 units. So CD is also under root 34. The length of the CD is under root 34 units. So one more we can calculate, that is DA. One more side, the last side is DA. DA is equal to under root x2 minus x1 minus 4 minus 1 minus 4 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 7 whole square, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So is equal to under root minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 minus 5 square 25 plus 4 minus 7 minus 3 minus 3 square 9 25 plus 9 under root 34 units. Under root 34 units. See, all the sides are equal. If all the sides are equal, then this figure is either square or rhombus. Because in rhombus also, all the four sides are equal. So now we can decide whether it is a rhombus or a square. Based on what? Based on the diagonal. So AC is the diagonal here and BD is also diagonal. Now we can find the distance of AC as well as BD. AC line segment and 2 points, the distance between 2 points, again we are using the distance formula, okay? So minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 minus 7 whole square, x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1, okay? So now is equal to under root minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 square 4 plus minus 1 minus 7 minus 8 square 64 plus 4 under root 68 units. Under root 68 units. So similarly we can take one more diagonal, that is BD. So BD is equal to under root x2 minus x1 minus 4 comma minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 4 minus 2 whole square. Here it is y2, here it is y1. y2 minus y1. So now minus 4 minus 4 minus 8 square 64 plus 4 minus 2 2 square 4 is equal to under root 68 units. So now we have a clear idea and we can give the conclusion ABCD is a square because all the sides are equal and diagonals also equal. So you can write here AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA and AC is equal to B. I mean the diagonals are also equal, hence the given coordinates or vertices are the vertices of a square. Understood? Yes, no, don't. Fast. Only 2 minutes only. I think you are getting confusion in section formula. So section formula we can take now. Do you have question paper with you? Effective examination question paper? Yes. Yes, sir. Next half an hour we can take what is this? Section formula. Yeah. Here I will solve two examples simultaneously. The time I will solve the two examples. Then only you will get the idea. Note on the first example. Find the coordinates of the point. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5. 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. In the ratio 3:1 internally. Let me repeat. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5 in the ratio 3:1 internally. First question. Okay. Then second question. The question is from Formative Assessment 2 examination paper. Find the ratio. Find the ratio. Find the ratio in which the line segment. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points minus 3, 10 and 6, minus 8 is divided by minus 1, 6. Is divided by minus 1, 6. Okay? Yeah. So two part I can make here. The first example, stop writing, look at the board. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, minus 3 and 8, 5. See, here there is a one line. Okay? 2 points are there. A of 4, minus 3 and B of 8, 5. Line joining 2 points AB. There is a point. There is a point P of XY. There is a point P of XY which lies on a line segment AB and which divides a line segment AB in some ratio. That ratio they clearly mentioned here, that is 1:3. That is 1:3. 3:1. Sorry, 3:1. Okay, 3:1. So, second question you can say. Second question, find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points. Here also one line is there, and 2 points A of minus 3, 10 and B of 6, minus 8. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points, these 2 points A of minus 3, 10 and B of 6, minus 8 is divided by a point P. Is divided by a point P and P coordinates minus 1, 6. Here we can calculate the ratio and here we can calculate the point of division. Point of division. I mean P coordinates. Okay. Do not get confused. Most of the students in the examination paper they have written that this P of minus 1, 6 is a ratio. No, it's not a ratio. Here we need to calculate the ratio. Yes, see here. You can take this example. In both the cases, we are applying the same formula. We are taking the same formula. The formula is P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. So this is your x1, y1 and this is your x2, y2. xy is already written and this is a m and n. M is to n is equal to, m is 3 here. 3 into, what is x2? x2 is 8. 3 into 8 plus n is 1 and x1 is 4 divided by m plus n. 3 plus 1. Simple. M y2 same. M is 3 and y2 is 5 plus n is 1 and y1 is minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1. Bracket complete. So now you can simplify this. 8 3s are 24 plus 4 1s are 4. 3 plus 1 4. 5 3s are 15 plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 24 plus 4 28. 4 1s are 4 7s are 15 minus 3 12. 4 1s are 4 3s. Then the point of division are 7 comma 3. P coordinates are 7 comma 3. Come to this example. See, simple. P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Simple. So now we can substitute the values. Okay. P of xy given in the question. Points of division are given in the question. Those are minus 1 comma 6. So P of minus 1 comma 6 is equal to m, don't know, right, as it is, m into what is x2? x2 is 6 plus n, don't know, right, as it is. What is x1? Minus 3. Okay, divided by m plus n. M plus n, comma m don't know, right, as it is, and y2 is minus 8 plus n also don't know, right, as it is, and y1 is 10 divided by m plus n. See, here this is the x coordinate. The first one is x coordinate and the second one is y coordinate. You can take either x coordinate or y coordinate. Equate either x coordinate or y coordinate. X coordinate in left hand side is minus 1. X coordinate in right hand side is 6m minus 3n divided by m plus n. So here I am going to equate x coordinate. Equate x coordinate on both the sides. Equate x coordinate on both sides. X coordinate on both sides. If you take y coordinate also, you will get the same answer. Okay, any one coordinate you can take, either x or y. See, I am equating x coordinate on both the sides. So left hand side x coordinate is minus 1 and right hand side x coordinate 6m plus into minus 3m divided by m plus n. Okay, so left hand side is minus 1 and right hand side 6m minus 3n divided by m plus n. So this denominator moves to left hand side. It multiply with the minus 1. So minus 1 into bracket m plus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. 6m minus 3m. See, most of the students didn't multiply this minus 1 to this bracket. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So you have to multiply this minus 1 with this bracket. In mathematics, minus, decimal point and 0 plays a very important role. You believe me or not? Okay. Yeah. So we can multiply this minus 1 to this bracket. Minus 1 into m minus m plus into minus n is equal to 6m minus 3m. Now m one side and n one side you can take. This minus m moves to right hand side and this minus 3n comes to left hand side. So minus n plus right hand side negative, it becomes left hand side, it becomes positive, is equal to 6m, and here it is negative. If it moves to right hand side, it becomes positive. Minus n plus 3n, 2n is equal to 6m plus 1, 7. Okay, sorry, right side. 2n is equal to 7. Even most of the students committed a mistake here also. They made the mistake here. What they have written? 7 upon 2. How it is 7 upon 2? See, this n moves to right hand side. This 7 moves to left hand side. 2 upon 7 is equal to m upon n. So m is to n is equal to 2 is to 7 is the right answer. Understood? Any doubts here? No doubt. Do you have worksheet? Yes. Coordinate geometry worksheet. Here is one question, application based question. Worksheet, last question, from your worksheet, last question. If you don't have worksheet, means you can note down this question. It's an interesting question. If P of 9a minus 2, comma minus B, P of 9a minus 2, comma minus B divides the line segment joining the points, A of 3a plus 1, comma minus 3, A of 3a plus 1, comma minus 3, and B of 8a comma 5, B of 8a comma 5 in the ratio 3:1. Here point is P divides a line segment AB in the ratio 3:1, and here point P, coordinates also given here, points of division also given here, point of divisions 9a minus 2, comma minus 5. Let's see here how to solve this. And here we need to calculate what? A and B. Calculate A and B is equal to question mark. How to do this? So this is the 3-mark example. Okay. So here also we are using same. Which formula? Section formula. So P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. P of xy given here, P coordinates P of 9a minus 2, comma minus b is equal to m. This is m and this is your n. x1 y1, x2 y2. 3 m x2 is 18 plus 1 x1 is 3a divided by m plus 3a plus 1 divided by m plus n, that is 3 plus 1, comma m y2, m is 3 and y2 is 5 plus n y1, n is 1 and y1 is minus 3 divided by m plus n. Okay, how to calculate this? Yes, so here again we have to simplify the terms. One more step we have to write as it is. 9a minus 2 minus b is equal to 8 3s are 24 plus 3a plus 1, 24a plus 3a plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. So similarly 5 3s are 15 plus into minus 3 divided by 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay. Yes, see, this is the x coordinate, left hand side x coordinate, and here also left hand side x coordinate. This is the y coordinate, and here also it is a y coordinate, right hand side y coordinate. Left hand side we are having only one unknown value, that is b. That's y coordinate. In x coordinate you can see there are also only one unknown value, that is a. It means that we can equate x and y coordinates separately. Both coordinates we can equate. We'll write here equate x and y coordinates separately. Equate both x and y coordinates separately. Equate both x and y coordinates separately. If you equate x coordinate, you will get a. If you equate y coordinate, you will get b. Okay. So x coordinate, left hand side 9a minus 2 is equal to, and right hand side x coordinate 24a plus 3a plus 1 upon 4. Cross multiplication, 4 into 9a minus 2 is equal to 24 plus 3, 27a plus 1. 4 9s are 36a minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to 27a plus 1. So now variables one side and constant one side. 36a minus 27a is equal to 1 plus 8. This minus 8 moves to right hand side, become plus 8. 36 minus 27? 9? 8. 9a is equal to 9. 9 get cancelled. A is equal to 1. So similarly, we can equate y coordinate. See, y coordinate right hand side is 15 minus 3 and left hand side is only minus b is equal to 15 minus 3 upon 4. Cross multiplication, minus 4b is equal to 12. 15 minus 3 is 12. 4 1s are 4 3s are. So b is equal to minus 6. Hence the values of a and b are 1 and minus 3. Got it? So any doubts? No doubt. Again, do you have any doubts in worksheet? Any doubts in worksheet? Worksheet number 2, coordinate geometry. Yes, sir. You can take one more question. Is this over? Not done fast. Last question of this session. Take first, last question. Prove that the points 3, 0, 6, 4 and minus 1, 3 are the vertices of an isosceles question. Prove that the points 3, 0. Prove that the points 3, 0, 6, 4, 6, 4 and minus 1, 3 and minus 1, 3 Argue what is of an isosceles triangle. You know the types of triangles. Triangles are classified into three types based on their sides. First one is equilateral triangle, second one isosceles, and third one. So what is the meaning of isosceles triangle? Huh? Yes. In a triangle, any two sides are equal. So such a triangle you can call it as isosceles triangle. So can you do this? Not now. Afterwards you can take. So one more example I have to solve now. Question number 6. Note on the question. Find the ratio. This is a different typology of question. Find the ratio in which the point. Find the ratio in which the point 8.5 comma y. Find the ratio in which the point 8.5 comma y divides the line segment. Joining the points. Here is our line segment AB, and the A coordinates are 1, 2, and the B coordinates are 2, 3. B coordinates are 2, 3. So here we need to calculate ratio. P is a point divides a line segment AB in some ratio, that is m is to n. In some ratio m is to n. So find the ratio as well as the point of division y. How to calculate? Which formula? Again it is section formula. So section formula, P of xy is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, comma my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. I am not sure whether it is 85 or 8.5. I am not sure, because here it is mentioned that 85, but such a big number will not give. Let me see later. If I will not get the correct answer, means I make it as 85. Okay, so P of xy, P of 8.5 comma y. Obviously we can equate only x coordinate here, because y coordinate not given. Okay, so is equal to mx2, m, and this is a x2 y2, and this is a x1 y1. M x2 is 2 plus n x1 is 1 divided by m plus n. So similarly m y2 plus n y1, no need to write, because y coordinate is not given here. I need only x coordinate. Equate x coordinate on both sides. I don't want to waste the time, so that's what I didn't write right hand side y coordinate. Okay, so equate x coordinate on both sides. Equate x coordinate on both sides. So left hand side x coordinate is 8.5. I told I am not sure whether it is 8.5 or 85. So later I will change. And the right hand side x coordinate 2m plus n divided by m plus n. So now cross multiplication. (8.5) into bracket m plus n is equal to 2m plus n. So 85m plus 85n is equal to 2m plus n. 8.5. Okay. Then m one side and n one side. 8.5m minus 2m is equal to n minus 8.5n. But you know, ratio is always a positive integer. Ratio is not a negative integer. But here we got a negative integer, right? We got a negative integer, so the equation is not existing here. This is incorrect. Equation is not existing. I think it's not 8.5 also, it's not a 85 also. Because 8.5 minus 2m is positive, but n minus 8.5. N minus 8.5 is negative. And formula is mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Here all the coordinates are positive integers. See, all the coordinates are positive integers. It may be negative integer. Then only you will get a positive integer here. Then only you will get a positive integer. So this question is incorrect. You will not get the answer. Okay. Yes. Next, one more question. You can solve this. ABCD is the rectangle. ABCD is the rectangle. ABCD is the rectangle formed by the points. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A of -1, -1, A of -1, -1, A of -1, -1, A of -1, -1, and B of -1, 6, and C of 3, 6, and D of 3, -1. ABCD is a rectangle formed by the points A of -1, -1, B of -1, 6, and C of 3, 6, and D of 3, -1. How to solve this? Just we have to show that whether these points are the points of a rectangle or not, means vertices of rectangle or not, by using distance formula. Correct? AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Am I right? No, it's a rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Correct? So it's a rectangle ABCD. ABCD. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Correct? Then after that we need to calculate the diagonals also, because in parallelogram also opposite sides are equal. In a parallelogram ABCD, here also same. AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. Okay? Yes, again tomorrow I can take. Thank you. You can leave now.